Hi everyone, welcome back to Little K Artistry. I am Little K and I'm here in my studio today. I'm doing a follow-up to video 171, which was my cloud mix video, and I showed everyone how to mix my Little K cloudy mix, and today I'm going to do another pour with my cloudy mix, and this one I am going for a dark and stormy sky, and I'm doing something a little bit different. Something I have not yet done with my cloudy mix. So I wanted to show you all how I am doing this tonight. But first, welcome to everyone. Welcome back. Welcome for the first time. If you're the first time visitor, please subscribe to my channel. It definitely helps me out to get the word out about my art, which is my goal. I love, love, love doing my art. I found art relatively late in life. I'm 54. I've been doing this style of art and also my texture art for about a year and a half, almost 2 years now, and I just love it. I want to thank you all for joining me in my studio today, and I hope you enjoy. This is just going to be a quick pour. I am doing a little bit of a test this time. It's something new that I've not done before. And that is, I am going to be using TLP, this little piggy pigments. And what I'm doing is I'm practicing with some new colors and I'm mixing them. So in this pour, I am mixing these two piggies. This one is Comet, which has a beautiful shimmery, multicolored shimmer to it. And this one is Meteorite. I have mixed these two and I have come up with this glorious color. And I am dying to try this. So we are going to dive right in. I'm not going to go ahead and do the list of all the countries. There's more coming on and more states coming on every single day. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you all so much. We're so close to 2,000. So please share, ask friends to subscribe, and just so much more beautiful art to come. So come on in. I am going to load up this cup and we are going to hopefully do something really pretty tonight. Well, it's night here. I don't know if it's night when you're watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of this Comet and Meteorite mixture in the very bottom of my cup. Not very much at all. It's just barely covering the bottom. I just want a tiny bit of it in the center of my painting. I'm going for a cloudy, stormy, dark and gray kind of a sky. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of my cloudy mix right along with that. And again, that is video 171 if you would like to see how I make my cloud mix. And then I'm going to put a little, that was the black. So the colors that I'm using here today, I have some carbon black, I have the TLP colors that I mixed that I showed you, the Comet and the Meteorite, and then this is brilliant blue and titanium white. And I am mixing all of these colors in to this beautiful, hopefully a beautiful stormy sky. I'm hoping it's going to look like a stormy sky. I don't know. But I'm just got my fingers crossed. I've not used these colors together before, so I do not know what's going to happen. It may turn out looking like butt, but you know what I say, at least it will be pretty butt. Okay, here we go. And again, like I did with video 171, instead of pouring out where I poured it in or pouring a quarter turn, I'm going to go right to the opposite side of the cup and I'm going to pour from this side. So let's see if we can make something pretty. Okay, so I got a little bit of a blip there, but that's all right. We'll just take a skewer, and before I start stretching, I'll just go in. Like that, and fix it. I think I did a pretty good job fixing it there, hopefully. We'll see. So I need to put a little bit more paint around the outside edge just so that I know it's got some place to slide on. This is a wet canvas. I did a pour right before this one, and let me tell you, it was not what I was looking for. This one is looking more promising. So I went ahead and scraped that into a cup, and I started over. We can do that. Okay. I'm gonna pop some of these bubbles. This is looking exactly what I was hoping for. It's kind of grayish. A little bit of that black is showing. And I think probably if we wanted to get an even darker sky, I would use less of the blue in the cup and more of the black. I didn't want to overwhelm it. I didn't want it to be too dark. I just wanted it to be a stormy sky. So I'm going to stretch this out a little bit. I'll probably need to stretch it a little more as we get going with the spinning. I don't think I'm going to need to tilt this one, but I'm not sure because I really like what the spiral is doing, and I'm enjoying the composition so far. Of course, as I start spinning it, it might go a little wonky, and I might decide I want to tilt it a little bit. But let's see. Ooh. Let's see if we can. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on the corners. I'm gonna see if I can get this to spin out a little bit. I like to cover the corners too, because sometimes when you're spinning, the paint doesn't naturally go over the corners. All right, I'm gonna spin this real quick, just a couple of turns to stretch it out. Oh, ooh. Well, I'm liking this one, you guys. I'm not gonna need to tilt this at all. This is gonna all get spun, I think. This is really nice. Okay, I'm gonna spin the other way. Couple of spins, stretch it out a little more. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Wow. Wow. That's beautiful. I wonder if I put a little bit more cloudy mix on these outside edges, what will happen. I'm just kind of playing around. I encourage you guys to do that. Play around and see what you can create. This is how some of my happiest accidents have been made. Just playing around, just see, I wonder what will happen if I do this. Oh my goodness, you guys, are you seeing these beautiful cloud formation and the spirally, oh. Oh wow, so pretty. Wow. What do you guys think so far? I'm going to spin it a couple more times. So I think I'm going to go clockwise, and then I have to spin it counterclockwise a couple of times, I think. Oh, wow. This is beyond what I was expecting. Definitely beyond what I was expecting. I'm going to scrape a little bit of this up off the corners and move it over to this corner here. And then I'm going to go this way. Counterclockwise a little. Okay, so I can see there's some paint coming off, so that's good. That means it's, oh. really like this. I really like this. Okay, there's something in the paint right there. No, what is that? It's not a bubble. Got it. Tweezers, have them on hand. Very handy. Okay, I am not liking how white these corners are, so I think I'm gonna just drizzle a little bit of this TLP along the corner, and then I'm gonna spin it one more time and see if I can get that white to simmer down a little. I don't want to lose these clouds, so I think I'm going to scoot it that way. There we go. It just seemed like it was a little off with the amount of white that was on there. Oh, okay. That is wow. That. Okay, let me scoot this back to the center. Wow. All right, I'm going to scrape this up, and then I just want to take one last look. See if I like the final result here. What do you all think? I can't wait to read the comments. This is not what I was expecting, but man, I love it. This is definitely not what I was expecting. Wow. Okay, let me look and see what I think the composition needs to be here. I like that. Oh, I also like that. Okay, I also like that. Well, it really looks good from all directions, you guys. Okay, I think that's the composition. So drop a comment, please. Let me know what you think. If you think I need to switch the composition or what. But one thing that you will notice, if you haven't noticed it yet, this cloudy pour makes tons of clouds. And I did not put very much in it at all. So, wow. Okay, I'm eager to hear your comments. And if you want to try mixing TLPs, I recommend, if you have some on hand that you can mix, it's so fun to mix them and see what colors that you can come up with. So this beautiful grayish pewtery with pink and blue. Ugh. So these two, Comet and Meteorite, I am loving that combination. Definitely going to use that in more of my painting. So comment, let me know what you think. I'm eager to hear from you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you for joining me once again. And this is Little K from Little K Artistry reminding you to just go make the art. Bye-bye.